Got a bee flying around my noggin. That's really annoying. Hey guys, this is Megan with Jeep TJ. Today we're going to learn how to install 3 different car seats in the back of a 2-door Jeep. Let's go. Alright guys, so from 03 to 06 you have 2 locking systems. You either have the latch locks or you have the seat belts. From 97 to 02 you do not have the latch systems. You can only use the belt. So unlike most modern vehicles, the rear seat belts do not lock. The seatbelt works by the sliding portion locking down on the belt when tension is applied. Okay guys, so we're going to start with a removable base first. This one is a Graco, although it doesn't really matter. All manufacturers are going to be pretty much the same way. So you've got your latches in here. We're going to do the latch system first. So just remember, open this guy. 2 little slits on the side in the base. Make sure that's forward down. Once you get the latches locked, you just put your body weight into it and you pull this as tight as you need, and then you anchor it down. Doesn't move. Alright, so now for, like I said, the 97 to 02, you don't have that latch system, so you use the seat belt. So what you're going to do through your 2 halves, your 2 slits here, you're going to put the seat belt underneath, keep pulling down the other hole, find your seat belt, click it in, let it come back. Make sure you get the seat belt over that little hump there, and just like in the latch system, put your body weight into it to make sure that it gets good and tight, and then lock it in. Alright, now that the base is installed, unless the person riding shotgun is 5'5" or shorter, you're gonna want to put the baby in the middle. So. Alright, so now onto the forward facing. Again, we've got the Graco. So on this, the latches you don't have anymore. You only have the seatbelt option. So what you do is you feed it through the back, comes out this other side, click it in. And then just pull your slack and make sure you got her in tight. Alright, and so I'm sure you all are wondering, or have been wondering, what these little guys were for. They are actually for the forward-facing latch. So what you do, you're just gonna come in, latch, pull, get it good and tucked, and there you go. Now you can take your babies off-road with you. Enjoy. The install procedure is identical for the convertible seats, either using the latch system or the seat belt. Only the seat design will differ. For the sake of time, we're just showing the installed seat. We realized that during the demonstration, the seats did not look as secure as they should be. We wanted to show you that they can be installed securely in the back of your Jeep. Thanks so much for watching our videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below and we'll answer anything we can. If you guys like our videos, please consider giving us a like and subscribe. It'll just help us to keep getting more info out for you. Thanks guys, and see you on the trails.